Welcome to this guide on how to manage instances in Doing ERP KairosQ. Let's get started. Step 1. Login. First, log into the KairosQ application. Enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Instance Management section. From the dashboard, locate the Instance option in the main menu. Click on it. This will take you to the Instance Management page. Step 3. Add or update instance details. On this Instance Management page, to add a new instance, click the Add Instance button and fill in the required details such as ID, customer name, environment name, whether it is a test instance, Dev1, Dev2 or Dev3. Provide the instance URL, username, and required password. After entering all the credentials, click on the Add button. The instance will be added. To edit an existing instance, click on the Edit button. You can modify the instance URL, the username and password based on your requirement. Once done, click on Update to save the changes. If you want to remove an instance, click on the Delete option to remove it. Once you have made all the changes, you can view the updated instance under the Customer tab. Navigate to the Customer tab. If you click on the customer name, you will see the Day 1 instance. Currently, we have only the Day 1 instance. Thank you for watching.